Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of dx over 3x squared minus 5. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to divide both sides with number 3 on numerator and denominator. Next, this one we can put about x minus the square root of 5 over 3 and s plus the square root of 5 over 3. We put 1 over 3 in here. So on numerator we put about this one minus this one. Negative of this one and we have negative of this one. So in this situation we will divide with 2 multiply with the square root of 5 over 3. This one divide this one, so you got about 1 over this one. We have a negative 1 over this one. Next, we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over x plus the square root of 5 over 3, you will go about ln of absolute value of x plus the square root of 5 over 3. And we got the next one, that's about the absolute value of x minus the square root of 5 over 3. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching. By the way, don't forget about the negative in here.